Good morning mga ka-Brexpan. Ito na yung tomato ko sa teres na mulak na. Ug ang aking atsal na mulak na pod. Okay. Mulak na. Ug napoy daghan ditong gitanong nga mga talong o kamates o sikwa ampalaya. See, I put a urea. This white color is a urea. This white color is a urea. A urea. A urea. And we have more plants at the back. We have more plants at the back. We have also here on the side. We have the bayabas, guava, and we have the tanglad, and we have the okra, and we have the tomato with urea now, and we have the durian, and there is also a mais on the side, and the lemon, and this is the sikwa. We have already bunga, and we have so many luya, and the pinya is now big now. It's big now, almost sinog. We have the sangeg, and we have also here some tomato and atsal, and we have the have already fruit. This is a pepino.